So here in the fifth wheel, what I've done is I put a matrix together. That's right on the inside of the door. This helps us. Also helps Tina. She's not necessarily savvy with amperage and all this other stuff, so this helps her. So kind of broke down the different things that are in the fifth wheel, testing each one so we can see how the generator works and what kind of amperage each one of those items pulls, so that we know that any combination of them, what generally they're going to be using off the generator, just so we don't damage it or cause it to shut off. So an interesting thing here is the air fryer, which has been a popular type of thing. We found that it initially on the surge 12.1 amps, and then when it's cooking steadily, it's 8 amps. I know this is off the topic, but we ended up getting one of those air fryers, and they're fantastic. Those things are great, cook things quick, and they do a great job. So anyway, so this is a handy kind of thing, simple to put together, and well, help you out, especially if you're trying to manage power and not overdo it. There you go.